Hey guys, welcome back. We have another winner for Hope for the Holidays. For this story, we cannot disclose a name or video because of company privacy policies, but her story is so beautiful, we would love to share. So, Sarah is going to tell us all about this next winner.
Hi guys, we were so happy to help out another family, and this was a mom and dad who had a 2-year-old daughter, and earlier this year they also had a new baby. And while that pregnancy was going on, there was a lot of illness with the new baby um, that I won't really get into, but it was intense. And then with COVID, dad ended up getting laid off from his job for 2 weeks without pay. So the new baby, the earlier illness this year, having another toddler in the house created a real roller coaster for them this year. So we are so happy to be able to help this family. And we are sending $200 Visa gift cards, one for each of their little girls, so that they can have a really special Christmas this year with those two little girls. So, please just in the comments, you can congratulate them and wish them a super Merry Christmas. And of course, we wish you all the merriest of Christmases as well.
If you haven't entered yet, it is not too late. Be sure to sign up for Hope for the Holidays. Thank you to Counterculture for hosting this wonderful event. And Sarah is going to tell you how you can still enter.
So you can enter from Holly's YouTube channel. You can enter from our Facebook business page or our Facebook Counterculture DIY artist support group, or you can email us directly at hope@counterculturediy.com. And this is open to anyone who has a special need this year during the holidays. And also, if you would prefer to nominate a friend or loved one, we are reviewing those daily, and we are going to bless as many people as we can before the year runs out.